Alright, so welcome back. This is part 2 of this build, so if you didn't see part 1, I'll try to leave something around here for you. And let's get back to it. Alright.
Shattered chances and empty frames have been the story of my life for too many days. Wrapped around myself in a wicked way, threw the key to my heart right down the drain. Forever locked in a cage with no escape, till the day you walked in and changed my way. Had my tongue tied up before I could even say that I'm too far gone to be safe. But I swore that I'd never fall this hard. I'd keep my life torn apart, chained to myself for eternity. 'Cause I've been waiting a lifetime for someone like you to bring me a lifeline, and drowning myself right to the point of no return. 'Cause I've been waiting a lifetime for someone like you to bring me a lifeline, pull me in closer till I can't refuse anymore.
So I used a random orbital sander and I started with 80 grit and worked my way through to 180. And then I went ahead and I like to kind of hand finish things. So I grabbed a piece of 220 that I had pre-cut and ran down all the edges and then kind of reworked the grain, especially where I had the splines.
For someone to light my way, but I swore that I'd never fall this hard. I'd keep my life torn apart, chained to myself for eternity. 'Cause I've been waiting a lifetime for someone like you to bring me a lifeline, and drowning myself right to the point of no return. 'Cause I've been waiting a lifetime for someone like you to bring me a lifeline, pull me in closer till I can't refuse anymore. I've been waiting a lifetime for someone like you to give me a lifeline. Give me a lifeline. Give me a lifeline. 'Cause I've been waiting a lifetime for someone like you to give me a lifeline. Give me a lifeline. Give me a lifeline.
Alright, so this thing's ready to go. You could throw this up on the wall, put the earrings on it, and it would be functional and beautiful. So we're going to add a little bit of color behind the mesh though, just to kind of personalize it a little bit.
Sneaking in the backyards of the houses in the hills, just to jump in swimming pools, anything for the thrills. Don't get caught in lies that you will never be good enough. Just go with the flow, yeah, baby, live it up, yeah, live it up. Relax, don't worry, no rush, what's the hurry? Relax, don't worry, don't worry. Relax, don't worry.
Man. Well, you can see these little ripples and imperfections on the material in the back. And that's not going to stand. I'm going to have to fix that.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Cut the dead and watch me check. You know I'm all in. Pay the fine.
That's so much nicer. Look how clean it looks. It took way fewer staples. Way better. Oh, that's it right there. That is awesome. Look. That's how we should be doing things. All right. There it is. All right, so I hope you enjoyed some of that. Man, it's a lot of work moving the camera around, getting all those angles, editing it together. I've been putting this sweatshirt on for a week trying to fool you, make it look like it took a day. Speaking of days, let's do the joke of the day. What did one saggy boob say to the other? We don't get some support around here, people are going to think we're nuts. So if you did like it, don't hesitate to click the like button or leave a comment. If you're not subscribed yet, maybe I'll get you on the next one. All right, as always, stay safe, take it easy. Later. Oh man, it wasn't even recording. Oh, so we were talking to myself that whole time. God.